All right, so here we are. Let me just put this on do not disturb. All right, because it was vibrating just now. All right, bro, here it is. Bro, here it is. I got one, baby. I got one. An RTX 3090 Founders Edition. And there it is. Yeah, you see, I won the battle royale. Yeah, I might suck at PUBG. You know, I I, I think I got one winner chicken dinner back in like 2017. But yeah, that was it. Or I got close. I don't remember. I won a Fortnite, all right, but like I can't do that anymore. We've won in Apexes for like people. I've never done a solo Warzone, but I won the battle royale that matters, bro. So the box is heavy. We got two ends to it. Uh, let's open this up. Cause nobody really cares. Actually, you know what? Everybody loves teasing, right? So the box is 15.75 inches in length. It is about 8 inches in width, and it is about 3.75 in height. So the only no, what is it called? The only dimension that was actually exactly on the mark was the width. That's exactly 8. The others are approximations, so don't get fussy when you get yours. Yeah, I mean it's got like all the stuff on the back. It says it comes with that garbage adapter. Says the dimensions: 313 millimeters in length, 138 millimeters in width, 3 slot card. Have a 750 watt power supply. It recommends Windows 10 2004. Has my serial number on the back of the box too. That's what's up. That's what's up. And my friend's box came dented. Mine is pretty good. I mean, there's a bit of a dent over here. You can see that a little there, a little there. It's fine. It's fine. It's not perfect, but it's fine. It's adequate. Ah, well, spilled some tea. You gotta be careful. I gotta put these pliers in. I have to put some stuff away. Let's see. All right, 1 second. All right, we're back. I'm moving the pliers somewhere else. It's not needed. So, where's my blade? Where's my blade? Yeah, I don't really got a fancy little like setup for this, but there it is, the first part, and let's get the second part, and there it is. It's open. It's open. Okay, that was pretty. Holy shit! This GPU is massive. Oh my god, bro, this thing is massive. All right, so their SLI adapter is actually the imprint it leaves in the box. It's an hourglass. That's pretty cool. I haven't seen anybody mention that, so that is actually pretty cool. Dude, this GPU is massive. Holy shit, I'm actually kind of scared of it. I don't think I've ever seen a GPU this big. Is it visible? Yeah, you can see it. Oh my god, dude. This is like actually insane. This is actually insane. I didn't. Dude, this thing is massive, bro. Hold on, I want to get a nice photo of this. Hope that's a better angle. But yeah, dude, this thing is massive. I'm gonna pick it up now. Wow, this thing's pretty heavy actually. Holy shit, bro, this thing is massive. Okay, so real quick, there's a defect on mine. If you can see that, that fin has its graphene, whatever coating or whatever coating they put on it, scraped. Absolutely unacceptable. I have to return it now. Oh, okay, we're good. The end that no one can see has that end. Look at this end. Perfect. Bro, this thing's a behemoth, bro. I have to like literally just pan it across just so you can see it. Bro, this thing's insane. Look at that. It's insane, bro. It's huge. This fits in a T1. Dude, think about that. Like, think about that. Bro, that is insane. Okay, let's put this down. It's really, like, got weight to it. It's not like the other graphics card is hooked up. I can't bring it. 1 second. If you guys have ever been to Kohl's or like Macy's or one of those shoe places, that's what the inside of this smells like. Quick start guide. Yeah, please teach me how to set up a GPU. Oh wow. Never done that before. Support guide. I actually am curious on what their support guide is. If I ever had the RMA this 3-year warranty, what would it be then? 4090? What is that? So 4K 240 hertz? The adapter's okay. The rubber ends over here feel pretty decent, but I mean it's fine. It's fine. If they're trying to just go with pre-built stuff that people usually have, then this is what the cabling looks like, but I mean, oh wow. The 12-pin connector is very small actually. Wow, that's actually amazing. Look at this. Look how big this is. Imagine using 2 8-pins. Imagine using 3 8-pins. Now use a 12-pin. That's insane. Look at my thumb. Now look at my thumb. It's like that's crazy. It's crazy. I don't have custom cables, so I have to use those. Yeah. It goes in and right out. Anyway. What is this? Yeah, I think it was on this end. Oof. I really don't even remember what end it was on anymore. All I know is I took this paper out. I can watch the video later. I'll probably remember. Yeah, I really don't remember. I don't remember where I got this paper from. This was like this. This was like this. This goes like 8-pin connector cable thing. It's probably right above it. Okay. Yeah, so that's all it comes with. I was gonna make a joke. Yeah, where's the charger? No, I'm just joking. Okay. Come on, just pack it properly. Stop making a mess. Okay. And this part goes in. Come on, dude. Just please work with me. Go in. Why is it not closing? What's happening here? What's happening? What is this? Okay, I'm not sure what the issue was, but that was way more difficult than it should have been. Okay, so that's really it. This is the inside of the box. Hourglass. I actually don't remember which way this goes. Maybe it goes like this. Yeah, and that's pretty much the box. It's the only AIB card that looked not like it was built for a child. I mean, I wanted the 4 the Win 3. The Strix 3090 isn't bad either. It just doesn't fit in any case that I want to buy. So yeah, that's just pretty much it. So we can put this box like this. I don't really want to put the GPU back on the box. You know what? You know what? I'll put the GPU back on the box. That looks cool. Yeah, that's okay. And once again, that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It looks good when the lights like shine on it. This thing is literally just heatsink. It's insane. It's heavy. I can go on the scale and weigh it later, but yeah, that thing is heavy. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just an unboxing. Stay tuned. Peace. Hey, howdy ho, it's Clickbait McGee, and we're back again. So, that's the card. This is my old card. Can we zoom out? Oh man, there was a zoom out option before. Let me cancel it maybe. So, it doesn't let me zoom in or zoom out while I'm doing it. Pin zoom is disabled, it says. Okay, so here's my old card. How big the heatsink is. This is a 2-slot card that will fit into like a Velka 5 or the new Velka 7, you know, even though it's a 5.9 liter case, which it should be a Velka 6. Actually, hold on, I'll hold it up to this one so you get a size comparison. I don't want to put it on top, I want to scratches. Perspective. Okay, hold on. I'll probably do a better job at this. Let's move this back a bit. And now I'll grab Chungus over here. That's not even my dominant hand. That's the scary part. It's not gonna fall, right? Yep. Size difference. Thickness of the heatsink. From the back. I know I already showed this. It's probably terrible angle. Maybe if I tilt it, might make it better. Okay, I have it just facing forward now. So this is like literally right in front of my hands. So here's the whole GPUs. Wow, I really need more space, or I need some proper way to do this. Dude, the one on the left is heavy. It's got some weight. No, these aren't even facing the proper direction. Okay. Now, they're facing the proper direction. Like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. Look how much space that 12-pin connector takes up, and look at how much space this 6 plus 8-pin connector takes up. Absolute chungus. Anyway, so I'm going to be installing that onto the test bench, and this is what I was using before. So, yeah.